Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, SciTech. In this video, I'm going to talk about the most requested question on the iQOO 7 device after the Android 12 update. So should we do any kind of factory reset of this device or not after downloading the latest version? So as you can see, friends, these are the comments which I'm getting not only from this one particular subscriber, I did get from plenty of other subscribers as well, that should we do any kind of factory reset or not? So will there be any kind of data will be deleted or not? So these are the doubts a lot of users they do have. And before updating the Android 12 update, I thought of just letting you know these are the few things, important things. So right now, today morning only, friends, the iQOO 7 users did receive this Android 12 update. And one more quick note, and your data will not be deleted even if you install this update. So you should not be worried at all. And if you ask me about the factory reset, I don't think it's kind of 100% necessary to do any kind of factory reset. It will be good. It will be good if you try to do the factory reset, but it's not necessary to do the factory reset. So, but before doing the factory reset, try to back up all your images in the gallery and maybe important call logs and everything, contacts. Try to back up those and try to do the factory reset, because once you do the factory reset, everything will be reset completely, and then you will be able to use the device like new phone and without any kind of issues. So that might be another use case, but I don't recommend you to do any kind of factory reset at this moment. Only do it in case if you face any kind of issues with the Android 12 in this device. Try to do one-time factory reset. If you still face the issues, then there must be another software problem with the update. So wait for the next update to fix the issues. That's the only solution which I can actually give you right now for that question. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching, and meanwhile signing off until and straight of more updates. And just on the feedback and questions of what I'm getting, I'm trying to upload the videos just to provide you the reviews and the thoughts. And meanwhile signing off, friends. Thank you for watching until and stay tuned. Bye.